Mike with Enviroscape LA, and what you just saw was the drain at the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden inside the Butterfly Building. Now, it looks just like any drain, but it's not, because once people wash their water, typically most people, when they wash their hands in water, the water goes out to the sewer and it goes to the ocean, and it gets a little treated and it goes out the ocean. Ideally, it's best if you can keep water on site, because of a lot of environmental reasons why you want to do that. But if you do that, if you wash your hands and you keep your water on site, it's called gray water. And so what we're doing is, I wanted to show you where that water is actually going to end up. Like I mentioned, we're at the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden, and it's a 1-acre site in Manhattan Beach. It's a native garden. It's 25 years old, and we decided to do something different and fun. We decided to do gray water systems. So when the water goes out of the sink, it leaves, and it actually comes, we piped it in all the way over here, and this is a melaleuca tree. So the water, you can see the water right there, is actually being piped on site, and so it's going to actually be able to hold all this water down. Now eventually we're going to get this landscaped in, and so the pipe that comes out here, we're going to tee off of it, put little gate valves on, and we'll have little small valve boxes. That's a big valve box. We'll have small round valve boxes, 6 or 9 inch ones, and we'll be able to run water to the various plants once it gets planted. Gray water, it's not the future, it's the now and going on into the future. If we care about the environment, we're going to do gray water. This is Mike from Enviroscape signing off. When you think sustainability and permaculture, think Enviroscape LA.